Are you cat? Okay. That don't look too good. No way, guys. Look, fireman training day. I think you missed a spot. The customer stated not to knock on the door. But he's worried about the knocking. Okay, guys, how's it going? We are back at it again. It's around 10:30 a.m. and we're rolling up to the McDonald's stakeout, guys. Gonna see what we can get today. Hopefully some beautiful orders, guys. You're coming with. Let's go. Okay, guys, coffee time at the McDonald's. Their kiosks are still down, in case you're wondering. Yes, they are still down. Okay, guys, well, another day at the office. Okay, guys, check out this screenshot. As you can see, we got one just over $9 to the Lucky Seafood Cafe. I believe it's going to be right in here. I don't think I've been to this place before, so not exactly sure where it is, but we're going to find it. Let's go. Guys, well, I just remembered I have actually been here before, and it's over here across the street. This is the, drumroll please, the Lucky House. Okay, guys, let's pick this up and knock it out. Wait a second. I'm seeing a sign on the door. Okay, let's get out and check it out. Close. What's this? Oh my God. Ah! Are you kidding me? It's close of business. That don't look too good. So, okay, guys, we're starting off this day with a nice call to Uber support. Okay, guys, close of business. So we got a $3 incentive from the Uber folks. In the meantime, check out this screenshot. Okay, well, we got a $6 DoorDash, and it's just going 1.8 miles, I believe it was, guys. So let's go knock this out. Okay, guys, we've arrived to the Jack in the Box, and we are going to give the drive-thru a shot. Okay, guys, well, that worked. We're pulling up to the window, so super duper. Okay, thank you very much. Have a beautiful day. We have arrived to the customer's crib, complex crib. Okay, guys, it's a hand to customer. How's it going, my brother? You have a beautiful day, okay?
Thank you.
Take care. Blessings. Well, I guess DoorDash is being fairly nice today. As soon as we got out of there, we got another offer. Check this out. All right, $9, just over 3 miles. Going to the Taco Bell, guys. You're coming with. Let's go. Yeah, guys, it's going to be just up here on Flamingo. Headed straight for the Palms, but we're not going to the Palms. Uh-oh, got a situation here, guys. There they go. Not sure where they're going, but I hope everyone's okay. Okay, guys, we have arrived to the Taco Bell. We're going to go inside. We could do the drive-thru, but we might as well go inside. I don't think we've been to this particular Taco Bell before, so let's go see the layout. I'm sure it'll be very unique. Not. How's it going, honey? I got a DoorDash for Amy. Hey, sir, the DoorDash had a little bug that came up and said to make sure that mild sauces are in there, so I'm sure they are. So where it's in there, they just, you know, double checking. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Have a beautiful rest of the day. All right, nice staff there. Okay, guys, just 1.4 miles to the customer on our way. Brakes truck. Okay, guys, we have arrived to the customer's complex. Now I got to figure out where the heck they are. Okay, guys, I believe this is not it. Gonna be upstairs, maybe? No, that's 2, so it's on the other side. Okay, hand it to me. Hi, Kitty.
My Siberian Husky thinks he's a guard dog.
I love that. You have a beautiful day, okay?
You too.
Take care. Okay, the Siberian Husky. Looked like a cat to me, but who knows, guys. Okay, we got that done. Knocked it out. Let's go to the next one. No way, guys. Look, fireman training day. Oh, wow. They got like a half blown up tanker and like a pickup truck that's all burned out. Guys are grabbing their hoses. They're going in, guys. They're going in. Getting a little liquids on that thing. There we go. There you go. I think you missed a spot. Okay, they're picking it up. Our finest, guys. Firefighters are the greatest people in the whole world, I would say. Thank you for your service, guys. Oh, look at them. They're doing a whole number on that pickup truck. Okay, get the inside. Don't forget to get the windows. That's it. Check the tire pressure. Oh, he's going on with the pickaxe. Whatever the heck that is. It's a pick of some kind. I like this dude who's just watching there sitting on the bench. He's must be the supervisor. I love it, guys. They're doing a good job. Looks like it. I don't really see any smoke or fire, but it's just a training exercise, guys. Having some fun. Oh, looking under the hood. That's going to get him some extra points right there. The dude sitting down just put a little check mark on his report there. But good job, guys. Okay, you never know what you're going to see. And this was a fun one, guys. Okay, off to the next order, guys. Let's go. Okay, well, the question is, will DoorDash dominate our day, or will Uber come through? All they've done is send us to a closed restaurant so far. So, yeah. Okay, guys, we're back at the McDonald's Stakeout. Uber sent me a couple of sketchy orders. So we're waiting on a good one, guys. Come on. Okay, guys, check this out. Yes, we got one right here at the McDonald's, just going 1.1 miles for over $8. So definitely a reasonable offer, guys. Let's go in and knock this out. Hey guys, so if you saw that, their system is down. No worries, guys. We're gonna get our order. We're gonna go this way. Let's go. Okay, honey. Thank you very much. See you later. Got that. Okay, guys, well, I'm not going to lie, that took a minute, but their system's down, like I said, so they have to do everything manually, and it increases the time, the turnaround. But here we are in the vehicle and ready to go knock this out. Okay, so I'm seeing now, this is one of my regular customers, and I already know there's some little kids who are waiting for these Happy Meals, guys, so let's go, let's go, let's go. If you watch my videos, you will recognize this house. I come here all the time. Okay, guys, we made it back to the McDonald's Stakeout, waiting on another good order. Let's go. Okay, so DoorDash was sending me a bunch of offers, and then we actually took 2 good ones. And then, since then, it's been absolute crickets. So, is there some throttling going on here, guys? Let me know what you think in the comments. Guys, we are waiting on a good one. Let's go. Put out the good vibes. Okay. All right, guys. Well, thank you for those good vibes, because we got one right after that. Look at this screenshot. It's a $9 or a little over $9, and it's Noodlehead. I don't believe we've been to Noodlehead, at least not together, but we're going there together right now. Let's go. Noodlehead. Hi. Yes, ma'am. Karen. It's all ready?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
You have a beautiful day, honey bunny. Bye. All right. Okay. A little bit of a wait here in the past, but not today. It's our lucky day, guys. You're sending those good vibes. Let's go. Okay, guys, we are on our way to the customer. Just 1.5 miles to them, to the food drop, guys. Okay, guys, we have arrived to the customer. It is a meet at door, so let's go meet our customer. Hi, Karen. Thank you. Okay, have a nice day. Bye-bye. Okay, there's Karen. Crack the door because those dogs will come out and bite my ankles off. Well, guys, there goes that beautiful sun again today. Keeps happening. Okay, guys, check out this screenshot. We are going to Dairy Queen. We have arrived to DQ, I think is what they call it now. I like Dairy Queen. I like the Queen of Dairy much better. Hi, Annie. Yeah, Liberty. Liberty.
Liberty?
Yeah. Okay. Now you're talking. Looking good. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Oh, non-dairy? Oh, that's kind of cool. Butterscotch. What do you like, guys? Shout it out. Well, thank you so much. I sure will. Okay, guys, looking good. Yummy. Okay, guys, we are on the way to the customer. Only 2.4 miles. Okay, guys, we are getting close to the customer. Check out this screenshot. I accepted that $7 order to Taco Bell, just under 2 miles. Let's go. We got a Dairy Queen to drop off first. Is that how you go through? You just go in here and then skate in here. Oh, okay, that works for me. Okay, let's see. I think they said go right at the Ferrari. Yeah, that's it. Okay, sorry guys. It's a McLaren, but I knew that. Okay. As I was walking away, the lady came out and said thank you, so that's always nice. On our way to Taco Bell, guys. Almost thought it was the same Taco Bell where I got a $60 tip. If you guys haven't seen that video, go check it out. I think it's entitled, I got a $60 tip. But yeah, that was a nice run, guys. This one, I don't think is gonna be that, but it's all good. Let's go. Hello. Thank you, my dude. I appreciate it, my bro. Take it easy. We're sitting right there, but it's all good. Hey guys, just 1.4 miles to the customer. Guys, we've arrived to the customer, stated not to knock on the door. Hey, but he's worried about the knocking. Then he came out the door and waved at me, so I don't know. I think that dog presents a bigger noise than a knock, but it's all good, guys. Let's go. Okay, guys, check out this screenshot. We got one. Just over $13, going just over 4 miles total. And we're going to the vegan Chef Kenny Dim Sum, I think it's called. Been there before, but it's one of those complicated names. At least it is for me. So we're going to go there. I'm going to show you guys what this place looks like. I guess it's a vegan dim sum. So that sounds cool. Let's go. There it is, guys. Chef Kenny Vegan Dim Sum. Okay, at the wrong door. It's got like these doors that you would have on a house. See what I'm talking about? Hello.
Hi.
How are you doing? Hey, I have a pickup for Cat. Oh, lots of pickups. Goodness. Can I? Yeah. Okay, guys, you got that. Neat place. Best vegan food. Guys, we're on our way. Just 3.2 miles to the customer. You're coming with. Let's go. Okay, guys, we've arrived to the customer. It's immediate door. Hello. Are you Cat? Okay. Well, I'm following you.
Who are you looking for?
Is it Cat?
Oh, I don't know.
Let me make sure I have the right address then. Okay, guys, well, it's a Christmas party. That's nice. Well, Kat's kind of hedging her bet there by getting some food. Well, maybe it's one of those Christmas parties without any food. I don't know. That wouldn't make much sense, would it? But I gave it to a nice gentleman. Kat's going to be there soon, so it's done, guys. Let's go. Okay, so our Christmas party's starting this soon. Well, I guess the Christmas lights are up, so whatever, you know, I guess might as well get an early start on Christmas, right? Okay, guys, well, sometimes I have to admit it to myself. I'm kind of hitting the wall here, guys, so that's going to do it for this video. I'm glad to have you guys along for the ride. It makes it so much more fun, guys. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the little bell, too, because that bell will let you know right away when I release new content, so that's very convenient. If you get around to it, like this video, leave a comment. You know, anything you can do to interact with the video helps me to get a boost in the YouTube algorithm, so it's really much appreciated. Also, guys, I joined buymeacoffee.com, and that is a service where you can go and leave me a tip. If you like what I'm doing, you know, leave me a tip, and that link is below in the description. So I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Until the next time, guys, keep rocking, but most importantly, let's keep rolling. But he's worried about the knocking. I just want to give a personal thank you to everyone who subscribed and left comments and liked these videos. I really, really appreciate it. So this personal appearance is to thank you for that. Guys, you're amazing. Let's keep going strong. Let's rock and let's keep rolling.